Whoa, 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 whoa. This is a quick review of this GPS system. I paid about €100 for this. Install is not insanely crazy. I have another video about how to install it on a bike. I think this is good because you don't need to, if you go on a long trip, you don't need to worry about charging your phone all the time. I mean, you still need to get your phone charged obviously, but you know, when you're on a long trip, you're using your phone. If you're using the GPS, you know, it's gonna drain the battery very quickly. This is not, obviously, since this is connected to the battery, you don't need to charge this thing. For long trips, it makes a lot of sense to have this kind of sat nav. If you ride in the city mostly, then I guess like using your phone is okay. But yeah, it's got everything. CarPlay is great. I only use iPhones. So what I like, it's very light, and because it goes on my windshield, not putting too much like stress on the shield. Like, you know, it's just right there. I mean, it's not budging, it's not moving. Don't know if it's waterproof. It does say in the instruction manual you shouldn't use a jet wash on this. So yeah, it's just something that I'm gonna have to remind myself, because I usually, like, you know, clean my bike with a jet wash. I really love the touchscreen thing. I mean, obviously it's touchscreen, but like it's super responsive. There's not much delay, even with the big winter gloves. Yeah, so typing with the in Chinese with the big gloves, it's not easy. Yeah. Okay. So it's not too bad. It's pretty responsive. Phone is not quite as responsive as a smartphone. Still good nonetheless. It's good enough. When the gloves are a little cold, it takes a little bit more time to respond. But this is my first navigation system for motorcycle. I've always used the phone before. To me, it makes a big difference. Like, if you don't have a navigation system, you're just like me. You've been using your phone. I think the biggest difference is I don't need to have to worry about having my phone in front of me. Also, obviously, bike is a bit like tidier because I don't have a phone holder anywhere. I might contradict myself a little bit, but I will probably end up like buying a phone holder later, because as backup, just in case one day I go for a long trip and that navigation system just, I don't know, gives up on me, and then, you know what I mean. Over here is for my GoPro, and so I'm probably gonna buy like another one, you know. I feel like it really tidies up everything. The front, the cockpit, I call it the cockpit, the dashboard of the bike. I love it. Oh, you mother. I just love the fact that the phone is connected to the sat nav, which is connected to my helmet. So as I'm speaking now, I'm listening to the music, and you know, I got CarPlay here, I got my Sena, and then the phone is right here in front of me in this bag. Okay, the phone is here. I'm charging it with that thing here. As soon as I get on the bike, this thing comes on because there's no on and off switch. As soon as I turn on the ignition, this thing comes on, and then it connects to my phone, and then that's it. Like, music just comes on. I love it. It's so awesome. Like, I used to like have to like fucking like, you know, hang my phone in a holder, play music. No, like, I really like it. I don't know about quality though. It's only been 2 weeks. I rode in the rain with this thing. It's fine. Now the negative I don't at this point right now, it's hard to find anything negative about this. Again, I can imagine that maybe quality might not be like, you know, so great, but I'll do another review in like maybe 3 months, you know, 6 months. Obviously, if anything happens, then I'll talk about it. But damn, man, like 900 yuan. Come on, man. 100 euros for this? It's pretty cool, man. And I've only bought the basic model, and then there's like obviously like upgrades that you can get. So the next thing I'm gonna get, and I will make a video about it, is you can buy an additional 2 cameras, and those cameras, one goes to the front, the other one, well, the other one goes to the back, and you know it's got this recording thing. So you can, there's a little thing here, there's a little place for an SD card. You can record, it will record you know, obviously like whatever the camera sees, and then it will delete. So it's like a loop type of thing, you know. So I haven't bought those 2 cameras. I'm probably gonna, like next month, so I'm definitely getting these cameras. There's a little remote control right there, and you can take photos. So yeah, GPS here, and then music here. Pretty cool. GPS is talking to me. You know, you got all the functions. I couldn't find this GPS on AliExpress. Sorry, guys. You got Maps, Skype. Should I even have WeChat here? Shit, this is cool. WhatsApp, Google Maps. I can't use Google Maps in China. YouTube Music, SoundCloud. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try Maps. Where's work? So yeah, this is a good idea. I'll keep you guys posted about any upgrades, any quality issues. I've only had it for 3 weeks, and it's been great so far. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the road. Ride safe.